Ever wonder why your videos look great but still don't hit right? Bad audio might be the silent culprit. Even with stunning visuals, poor sound sends viewers running. Today, we're comparing two wireless mic heavyweights, the Rode Wireless Go 3 and the DJI Mic 2. Rode brings 32-bit float magic to recover clipped audio, while DJI uses AI smarts to cut noise and offers direct Bluetooth recording. Which one truly levels up your sound game? Let's find out. Let's start with first impressions. The Rode Wireless Go 3 comes in a compact, colorful package. Multiple color options if you want your gear to scream personality. DJI, on the other hand, keeps it classy with a professional black or pearl white finish. Both systems pack a receiver and two transmitters, neatly housed in charging cases. Rode's case is smaller and super portable, but DJI's case feels a tad more robust, and here's the kicker. It syncs your devices automatically. No extra steps. Just dock, charge, and go. When it comes to mounting, DJI wins extra points with their magnetic mounts. Slap it on a shirt, jacket, or even a hat. It's a no-brainer. Rode sticks to the classic clip system, but they counter with a locking connector for external mics, giving you extra security during those action-packed shoots. Let's talk about sound. Both the Rode Wireless Go 3 and DJI Mic 2 support 32-bit float recording, your safety net for clipped or quiet audio, but their strengths diverge. DJI adds AI noise reduction to cut wind and traffic, ideal for chaotic shoots. Rode counters with intelligent gain assist and a -12 decibel safety track. Perfect for unpredictable environments. Rode offers a larger screen and customizable buttons. DJI keeps it sleek with a touchscreen receiver and auto-syncing case. Bonus: DJI can connect via Bluetooth. No receiver needed. But you'll lose that 32-bit float magic. Battery life, it's the Achilles heel of any gear. Rode's transmitters last up to 7 hours, extendable to 21 hours with the case. Impressive. But DJI pulls ahead with a total of 18 hours using its charging case. More juice means fewer interruptions during long shoots. When it comes to range, Rode boasts up to 260 meters of wireless transmission, but DJI proves more reliable in tricky environments with obstacles or interference. It's a close call, but both systems shine in their own way. Alright, let's talk dollars. The Rode Wireless Go 3 is priced at around $300, while the DJI Mic 2 comes in at $349. For the extra cash, DJI gives you pro-level features like noise reduction and extended battery life. If you're on a tighter budget, Rode still delivers outstanding performance and value. So which one should you buy? If you prioritize versatility and budget-friendly reliability, the Rode Wireless Go 3 is an excellent choice. But if you're chasing noise-canceling magic and a more streamlined workflow, DJI Mic 2 might just be the investment that pays off. Either way, you're getting top-tier audio quality to take your videos to the next level. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. See you in the next one. Remember, great audio isn't optional. It's essential. Happy filming!